assisted by his mother, Mrs. Lida Retondo. Aaron Mark Lee, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Rosemary Retondo. Sugitan Erwin Memorial Chief, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Zeneida Sugitan. Tolentino Genevieve S., assisted by her father, Mr. Edison Tolentino. Tomas Romeli J., assisted by her father, Mr. William Tomas. Joseph Junior C., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Lydia Tumpalan. And Valencia Manuel T., assisted by her father, Mr. Armando Valencia Sr. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Financial Management. Balanay Rizame A., assisted by his father, Mr. Daniel Balanay. Baptista Christine Meiji, assisted by his father, Mr. Severino Baptista. Kalamayan, Sir Roger Kelly. Espirito Casey Davey, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Juby Espirito. Gagarin Lovely Joanna, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Tina Gagarin. Lorenzo Johnson King, assisted by his father, Mr. Jojo Lorenzo. Poblete Liz Gavin Lee, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Alice Poblete. Ruiz Valerie, assisted by her father, Mr. Reynaldo Ruiz Sr. Tarobal Aileen T., assisted by her father, Mr. Reynaldo Tarobal. Viernes Arnelin B., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Wilma Viernes. assisted by her mother, Mrs. Wilma Ancheta. Andres Rizal Q, assisted by her father, Mr. Charles Andres. Balagat Charles Carl M, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Maribel Balagat. Biak Leilani Grace White, assisted by her father, Mr. Sunny Biak. Cabresos John Vincent S., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Nenette Cabresos. Castillo Millicent Ann E., assisted by her father, Adrian Marcelo Castillo. Galere John Levy M., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Levy Galere. De la Cruz Joanna Marie R., assisted by her grandmother, Mrs. Felisa Rana. Dumlao Lady Claire D., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Larija Dumlao. Fajardo Mark David Yates, assisted by his father, Mr. Amelito Fajardo. Gorospe Reynabeth Lane, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Lilibeth Gorospe. Guillermo Mark Brian O., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Estrella Guillermo. Landigin Mariam Rosa R., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Lilia Landigin. Lasada Raven J.R., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Rodora Lagas. Lasada. Yapitan Rhea B., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Bell Yapitan. Lumagib Laika Karen Chu, assisted by her father, Mr. Ruben Lumagib. Magayago Rochelle B., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Evangeline Magayago. Malakay Romel B., assisted by his grandmother, Mrs. Delfina Balmano. Mahuba J.C., assisted by her brother, Mr. R.J. Laga. Miguel Christine P., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Remedy Miguel. Miguel Christine P., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Revelie Miguel. Olivia Reynalyn G., assisted by her father, Mr. Reynaldo Colorni. Reyes Campo R., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Melendez Reyes. Ricahuerta Remy C., assisted by her father, Mr. Morel Ricahuerta Sr. Rigonan Mark Algarvi, assisted by his sister, Miss Lofelo Candelaria Rigonan. Tono, Laika Marie C., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Josefina Tono, and mothers Mary Jolene M., assisted by her uncle, Mr. Arsenio Balde. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, Abad Aisel M., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Maria Concepcion Abad. Abrigado Mark Lane B., assisted by her father, Mr. Marcelo Abrigado. Agonoy Lemblitz, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Corazon Agonoy. Aguinaldo Brazil R., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Sylvia Aguinaldo. Agustin Jesper J., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Rebecca Agustin. Alcantara R.B., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Delia Alcantara. Valentona Audrey Hazel A., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Estela Valentona. Mary Mike Constantine, assisted by his mother, Mr. Romulo Barro. Donald Apple Joyce A., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Evangeline Gallo. Deus Gladeline, assisted by her father, Mr. Bonifacio Deus. Diego Ivy, assisted by her father, Mr. Antonio Diego. Domingo Diana Rosne, assisted by her father, Mr. Severino Domingo Chillo. Fernando Serena Joy, assisted by her father, Mrs. assisted by her aunt, Miss Carolina Pasco, Ganotisi, Edward E. Garcia Richard M., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Gloria Garcia. Gardoque Michelle I., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Marilyn Gardoque. Guillermo Risata, assisted by her godmother, Mrs. Teresita Aptaga. Ignacio Jocelyn Spear, assisted by his father, Mr. Melchor Ignacio. Lagaso Marchi Chi, assisted by her father, Mr. Agustin Lagaso. Lalugan Ron Samuel, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Rosalinda Lalugan. Lao Geraldine K.A., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Nelly Lau. Lumago Franklin Jr. R., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Maria Lumago. Marcos R.E.A., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Eileen Marcos. Marcos Sunshine P., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Shirley Marcos. Mateo Bernadette R., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Crisneta Mateo. Mayor Federico Tupi, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Carlina Mayor. Noina Rosel Joy B., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Benitez Vidal. Nolasco Rachel Lee, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Melanie Nolasco. Pasha Roselia B., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Eleanor Pasha. Paco Mark Cesar S., assisted by his grandfather, Mr. Avelino City. Pagapao Lord John A., assisted by his father, Mr. Mario Pagapao. Pascual Daniel K.S., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Teresita Pascual. Peralta, Liberty RA, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Agnes Peralta. Putulan, Charlotte Johnny S., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Marites Putulan. Ramos, Bernadette M., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Benita Ramos. Ramos, Rizali J. P., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Susan Aguilera. Ravelo, Mario B., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Nancy Ravelo. Sagadraka Raquel S., assisted by her father, Mr. Cesar Sagadraka. Salvador Kenneth S., assisted by his sister, Miss Natalie Salvador. Samalio Ano Roma, assisted by her father, Mr. Roy Samalio. Soriano Jerry C., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Rosie Soriano. Sugitan Eloisa, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Evangeline Sugitan. Tawali Joy Ann M., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Imelda Tawali. Tolentino Charlotte S., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Sosa Tolentino. Valentin Lisa Angel, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Ami Valentin. Vidal Ernie C., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Sally Vidal. Viernes Dennis Junior I., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Viernes. Wasay Deverlin L., assisted by her father, Mr. Quirino P. Wasay Jr.
graduation for school year 2014-2015 with their respective degrees. 42 for Bachelor of Science in Criminology, 39 for Bachelor of Elementary Education, 10 for Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, 19 for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, 27 for Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, 10 for Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, 27 for Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, 49 for Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, 20 for Programming NC4, 47 for Front Office Services NC2, 14 for Computer Hardware Servicing NC2, 150 for 2 years Hotel and Restaurant Services, and 34 for Healthcare Services NC2. Having faithfully and satisfactorily fulfilled all the requirements of their respective courses, I now respectfully petition you, Mr. Vice Chairman, to confer upon our graduates their respective degrees with all the rights, honors, privileges, as well as obligations thereunto appertain.
By virtue of the powers and honors vested in me by the Chairman and the Chief Executive Officer of the Data Center College of the Philippines of both the Cordillera Administrative Region and Region 1. As the Vice Chairman of the Data Center College of the Philippines of Lawag City, and in my capacity as such, I hereby confirm your graduation in your respective degrees. Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, Programming NC4, of Front Office Services NC2, Computer Hardware Servicing NC2, Qualification in Tourism Sector, 2 years Hotel and Restaurant Services, Healthcare Services NC2. With all the rights, honors, responsibilities, and obligations thereunto appertaining this 26th day of March 2015. My dear graduates, my congratulations and Godspeed.
Data Center College of the Philippines has been in existence for the past many years, surviving competitively with fellow institutions of the province in the pursuit of the same noble goals and objectives of producing graduates who will be globally competitive in their fields of expertise. We are proud and grateful to the good Lord for His benediction for the school year 2014-2015 has afforded Data Center College of the Philippines a bountiful harvest. ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor of presenting the season of our craft.